So my recipe is एक तो है हमारी सत्त भाजियों, which means 7 vegetables, and the second recipe. Normally we eat that with puri, with rice. So what I said, why don't I make a nice pulao? Okay. Now with this pulao, we've got a lot of vegetables in our we've got 7 vegetables which I'll tell you about in our satta bhajiyon. So I'm going to make this completely on the other side of the pyramid of flavor. I'm going to be doing a oyster mushroom, walnut and broccoli ka pulao. Okay. Well, there has to be a little Vicky Ratnani touch to it. So one is classic, one is progressive. So it's big. One is classic, one is progressive. So it's like a modern progressive. So pehle to look at this rice. I mean, Fortune Biryani rice is the longest grain rice in the world, by the way. And look at the color. It's aged so beautifully. That means it's very non-sticky. It's going to have a lot of flavor. So what I will do now, I'm going to soak some rice and put on the side. Okay. And you'll have to give it to me when I actually need it. Okay?
Okay. So we're going to soak the rice.
Yeah, obviously you have to soak rice before you cook it, no? Yeah. So early on we had to sort the rice, but of course you won't find even a grain, I mean a kankar as they call it, or any stones. It's absolutely great rice. So literally wash it and then straight away drain it and start cooking. Now, my satta bhaju or my 7 vegetables today are bhindi, okra, lady's finger, many names to it. We call this bhi, which is actually, it's lotus stem. It's eaten all over Asia. It's a very cool vegetable. We make chips with it, we dehydrate it, we make powders. We also make a real good combination with bhi and patata. It means bhi and aloo ki bahut अच्छी famous Sindhi की सब्जी बनती है. So now these are found inside. So these are completely completely muddy because it comes from below the water and it's all in mud. And literally these are coated that much. So you have to literally wash it. And then what we do is we soak it and then you finally peel it. And this is what it's done. So I'm going to just slice these. Okay. Now sometimes what you do, you can even pressure cook it. You can even pressure cook this and then use it as required. So what I'm doing is I'm going to put it in here. Lady fingers have been washed and wiped out. Okay, otherwise they get a bit too sticky. You need to wipe it. A little bit of salt, a little bit of flour. Sorry, guys. A little bit of salt and turmeric. That's it. Oil is almost there. We're just going to quickly blanch these off.
और शेफ बता दे लोगों को कि इसके लिए हमने यूज़ किया है फॉर्च्यून का जो राइस ब्रान ऑयल है.
And I'm using to cook this recipe. I prefer cooking it in Fortune rice bran oil. Okay, rice bran oil has been around in my house generally for many years because my dad and my mother had a heart condition, a diabetic condition, and at the same time, food doesn't taste really great without oil. So the doctors always recommended that you gotta choose a better medium of cooking or need a better fat to cook with, and that's how rice bran oil actually came into our life. Yeah, so it has a lot of family stories to this as well. So literally you're just blanching this because again I am going to be sauteing them again in the curry. I also have a kind of a different style of cooking when I do Indian food because for me, जो हमारा खाना है, the vegetables totally get overcooked, okay, in Indian food, and we losing all the nutrition, okay. So what I actually like to do is I'll actually like to make the gravy first. I like to saute the vegetables with a little bit of ginger and garlic, and then I add my curry or my sauce into it. So क्या होता है कि जो vegetables है ना, they don't get too overcooked. I still like the bite in vegetables, even in my Indian food. I know people will be finding that pretty weird, but that's the way I cook. At least you're assured that there's some nutrition. I've got the oil which is nice and hot. पहले हम इसमें डालेंगे थोड़े से खड़े मसाले. Now before I start this, there is a good amount of prep which I have done in advance. Now, in order to create these two dishes straight away together, you have to literally start, you have to do some kind of planning. So before we started actually cooking this, मैंने prep क्या की है? I have boiled some onions, one onion, और उसको boil करने के बाद मैंने उसका paste बना दिया है. Same thing with ginger, garlic, and green chili. So all these pastes are ready. Now remember, you can always make these pastes in the kitchen, in your kitchen and in the fridge, and keep them or even freeze them. So literally, now what I've done is I bought the vegetables yesterday. I've quickly cut them, processed them, and power blanched them. Power blanched them means in boiling salted water, डाल दिया और निकाल दिया. But in satta bhaju, my chachi said and my grandmom said that we used to fry everything. घी में फ्राई करते थे. Now we are using great riso oil because it's much healthier. So I've got my whole spices in here as well right now. Next, we're going to add our onion paste. Going to make it lightly brown, not too much. Remember, the onions are already cooked, so this is going to take much less time. Now these onions are almost, look how quickly they get really cooked.
Yeah.
Already brown. So
Peach
this,
color.
yeah. So this is another trivia. You can boil your onions before you make a puree, in order to save time, and it gives a good texture. Look how beautiful this is. So ये हमने आराम से अच्छी तरह light brown किया है. I don't want to make it very dark. उसके बाद हम इसमें डालेंगे garlic, ginger, and green chilies. Okay, now green chili paste will depend upon आपको थोड़ी सी spicy करनी है. Yes, I like it a little spicy. Okay, next I have some cashew nut paste. Okay, which is going to give a lot of nice richness to this. उसको थोड़ा, we're just going to give this a little mix. When you start cooking with masalas, with nuts, you're making a paste, you got to be careful that you're not really burning. So you have to be a little careful. Here I'm using a non-stick kadai, so I'm pretty okay. But if you're using a cast iron pan or a steel ki patili or a kadai, then you will have to do this. Yeah. So usko, I'm going to let this cook. Now I've already soaked the water. I'm going to give it another 5-10 minutes. Soak the rice. I've got another. So once I start cooking this gravy, then I'm going to start with the rice.
Okay.
Once I get the rice going, then I'm going to finish this. Next, I'm going to be adding tomatoes को हमने boil करके उनका puree बना दिया है इसमें.
Okay.
Let's add all of this, might as well. Now, while this is cooking, okay, I'm going to be adding a few more spices. Sorry, not too many. We have a little bit of haldi powder, okay, a little bit of turmeric, garam masala, thoda sa, and I've got some dhania powder, okay.
Okay.
हमने थोड़ा इसमें stock डाल दिया है, okay.
Okay.
Now, while this is happening, let this cook. I've got some thoda sa salt, थोड़ी सी black pepper, and I'm just going to put. I mean, I know dhania end में डालते हैं लोग, but you know I've got this thing for dhania that I love to put some while the flavors cooking. I love to use the stems, the jad, the roots, coriander roots as well. So now this can, how we say, this we can put on the back burner. So let's start with the rice. Now with the rice, we are going to make a nice pulao style. Now for this, I have opted for some oyster mushrooms.
Okay.
I did not get the morels in time, no big deal.
Okay.
So these are also beautiful, great for China. I mean, normally used in Asian cooking.
Okay.
Normally used in Asian cooking. I'm going to be adding it in the rice.
Okay.
While I'm cooking it, it's really nice. They give a beautiful flavor to it, and I think they offset the richness of the thing. And also, what I'm planning to do is the broccoli. I'm going to add it last minute.
Oh, okay.
So it literally steams. The florets are nice, green in color, very nutritious. तो हम लास्ट मिनट में ब्रोकली डालेंगे. Walnuts are going to go also at the end, not in the beginning. You can also fry them and do them as well.
Okay.
Now I have a little bit of oil in this. I have a little bit of Fortune Rezo oil. We're going to use this for our rice. खड़े मसाले, बड़ी इलायची, छोटी इलायची, cloves, peppercorns, all going in here.
Wow.
Followed by mushrooms.
So
I'm
you
adding a
always
little
have
bit
that
of
option.
green chili paste to this,
Okay, wow.
along with my khada masala. I'm adding a touch of haldi. I also have some saffron, which I'm going to be adding into this. So the saffron is here. I'm going to put it directly in here, okay?
Wow. And guys, we've used यहाँ पे बिरयानी स्पेशल फॉर्चून का जो राइस है बिरयानी स्पेशल वाला वो हमने यूज़ किया. जैसे शेफ ने कहा कि इट्स एज्ड राइस and it's long grain, so it's perfect for like festivals and of course for even like Sunday cooking. It's really good, and pulaus, biryanis, everything I'm sure will taste fantastic if you make it with this rice.
So I've literally lightly sauteed the rice. Now one thing you have to do is that you cannot overhandle this rice. Okay, टूट जाते हैं. Just once or twice. That's it. We're going to add a little bit of salt to this. A little bit of pepper. Okay. I'm also putting my veggies now
Okay.
in here. Okay. Give this a nice simmer with this. Look how beautifully they are going to. Now, of course, frying में कुछ अलग ही taste है. लेकिन I prefer to just blanch them very quickly. Sometimes we just saute them as well. And we've got our bhindi and bhi as well into this. So we have our simmering bhaji over here, which will happen. We have some. I'm going to chop up some coriander now. So now once this rice is almost done, I'm going to be adding the florets of broccoli inside. So I'm going to be putting the broccoli florets, into the rice. Okay, this coriander is just roughly chopped. It's for the We can add a little bit of water to this. You can make it as liquidy as you like or as thick, depends upon आप किसके साथ खा रहे हो ये. Okay, this is beautifully done here. Simmering, see you're getting a nice beautiful flavor. I'm going to just turn it up, bring it to a boil. Yeah, हल्की से उसको हम boil करेंगे.
Okay.
Now the rice is almost done. Okay, now this is the time where we will actually turn it down completely, cover it, and this is the time where actually I want to add my broccoli to it.
Chef, actually यहाँ पे you said that you're also going to use walnuts.
Yes, walnuts at the end, buddy.
At the
I
end?
am going to, in fact, I'm going to grate the walnuts.
Oh, okay.
So it looks like a nice shower of walnuts on the top.
Okay.
You can also add walnuts right now.
Okay.
Some people, so a lot of the people like to garnish it, but I think I'm going to really shave the nuts on top. Okay, we can add a few walnuts if you wish now. Normally people fry the walnuts. Okay, so what I'll just literally just crush some of them in here. I don't really like to fry the nuts. They have their own oil. Okay.
Chef, can I use any other nuts?
Whatever nuts you want.
Okay.
Anything. You can go nuts, as they say. Okay.
Okay.
And here we have hamari pyari si broccoli in here. So literally, I am going to literally. This is on a very low flame. I'm going to cover this. In 5 minutes, our rice will be ready. I also have some fresh coriander, roughly chopped, which I'm going to be.
Wow. So it's looking bright and colorful. शेफ आई हैव अ स्मॉल क्वेश्चन कि ये जो हमने ब्रोकली के फ्लोरेट्स है वो एंड में डाले, अंत में डाले, तो ये आपने व्हाई डिड यू चूज टू पुट इट एट द एंड?
A, it's a green vegetable. B, it's got to look really nice and pretty. It's got to be bright green. As the golden rule, what do we do with green vegetables? We blanch green vegetables in boiling salted water. Then we put it in ice water to cool them down, especially when you're doing Western cooking. That's why sometimes they say, Arey, how come my vegetables are not as green when I go to the restaurant? No, because that's the way we cook. We blanch our vegetables. So that's the reason. I mean, I could have bun out the broccoli, but at the end of the day, guys, it's about nutrition, nutrition, and nutrition, and flavor as well.
Okay. So I often wonder when I go to restaurant कि मेरा broccoli इतना fresh और इतना green bright कैसे नहीं दिखता. So this is the reason, guys. It's the way you cook it, and like chef ने यहाँ पे अंत में डाला है broccoli. So there you have it. It's going to look bright and it's going to keep the nutrients intact. Okay.
Okay, so we have walnuts. I'm grating these walnuts on the top.
Wow.
Okay, so we've got very nice shaved walnuts. A shower या बारिश हो रही है walnuts की. Okay, right here. I'm also adding some shaved nuts on this as well. So beautiful, guys. Happy, happy, happy to you and your family. थोड़े से flowers भी है. Yeah.
Okay.
थोड़े फ्लावर्स ही, लेट मी फिनिश प्लीज. थोड़े फ्लावर्स भी है यहाँ पे, तो हम लेट्स गार्निश इट विद फ्लावर्स. समटाइम्स यू हैव टू से इट विद फ्लावर्स. हैप्पी दिवाली एंड लॉट्स ऑफ लव टू यू एंड योर फैमिली.